उन परिवारों के लोग जिन्होंने अपना शरीर के अंग डोनेट किए, सबसे पहले तो सादर प्रणाम उन नोबल सोल्स के लिए जिनके कारण हम आज सब यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं और कुछ लोगों को जीवन दान मिला। और इन परिवारों की ये जो सोच है, उसी के कारण हम आज सब इकट्ठे हुए हैं कि हम खुद भी और कई लोगों को, दूसरों को प्रेरित करें कि ये जो परिवार हमारे से बहुत आगे की सोच रखते हैं, हम भी उस रास्ते पे चल सकें और हम भी आगे बढ़े। Our chief guest for the function today, Dr. Ramandeep Kaur, and our guest of honor, Dr. Gagneen Sandhu, Honorable Secretary Mr. Bipin Gupta, Mr. Mukesh Verma ji, and all of you who are present there. हम सब बहुत ही एक पवित्र और पुण्य बात के कारण आज इकट्ठे हुए हैं, क्योंकि आज हम सब जिस चीज में नॉर्थ इंडिया थोड़ा पीछे था, हम उस रास्ते पे चल रहे हैं। मैं कहूँगा कि हम साउथ इंडिया के साथ कैचअप करें और दुनिया की कोई भी शक्ति, जितने भी एनलाइटेंड नेशंस हैं, प्रोग्रेसिव नेशंस हैं, हमारे भारतवर्ष में तो वैसे ही दान देने की या दूसरों की मदद करने की एक परंपरा है, और हम उसी परंपरा को आगे लेकर जाने के लिए हम सब इकट्ठे हुए हैं। आप और हम मिलके सारे नॉर्थ इंडिया में, हमारे बीच में आज नोटो के डॉक्टर गगनीन संधू बैठे हैं, ये मॉनिटर करते हैं कि जो ऑर्गन्स, जो बॉडीज, जो फैमिलीज अपनी डोनेट करती हैं, वो प्रॉपरली, एप्रोप्रिएटली और ठीक ढंग से इस्तेमाल हो और लोगों को फायदा हो। ये कोई जैसे ब्लड डोनेशन है, ये कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो मैन्युफैक्चर करी जा सके। और बड़े गर्व के साथ आज हम यहाँ अपना सिर ऊंचा करके कह सकते हैं, इन कुछ परिवारों के कारण, कि नॉर्थ इंडिया में भी अब ये जो मुहिम है, ये जो एनलाइटनमेंट है, ये जो अवेयरनेस है, ये लोगों में आई है और हम इस रास्ते पे चलने लग गए। I feel very proud to say that couple of years back, when I used to talk to our worthy secretary, Mr. Bipin Gupta, that we need to have a very active organ transplant program. We did not have very capable teams at that time, and we are very fortunate that we now have excellent liver transplant, kidney transplant, corneal transplant, and even bone marrow transplant teams in place. And for that, I would like to place special thanks to the management, to the secretary, to the trainer, for having made it possible for patients of this region to get the benefits of this surgery, which is rather intricate, very demanding, and can only be performed in a tertiary care center with a teamwork. It needs actually a lot of teamwork to put it all together. I'll just spend a couple of minutes to show you. Actually, today happens to be the World Humanitarian Day also, and it is due to these good Samaritans and humanitarian people that we are here all together today. Various organs can be donated, and various organs are utilized. I'm just going to run you through the number of donations that we've had in this institution, the type of organs we have had, and the distribution to other hospitals that we have made in terms of significant number of donations which went to other hospitals. Well, the liver transplant unit, I would say, restarted after a gap of many years in October 24, and we inaugurated at the time of our last convocation when the liver unit started, and we all had great aspirations so that we could serve patients with this terminal kind of ailment. The licensing happened due to the active interest of our medical superintendent, and in November 24 we could get the licensing, And ever since then, we have done 21 liver transplants. I must say some of these patients have been very high-risk patients with high MELD scores, in the sense that these were high-risk patients. 15 of them have been living donors, and 6 were cadaveric liver transplants, and that is what we have actually assembled today for. Well, the transplant unit in December 24, the first liver transplant within 2 months actually happened. The liver was transplanted here and kidney was sent to other hospital. The nephrology unit and the renal transplant unit took it upon them, and very quickly the next transplant actually we could transplant a liver and a kidney both. In February we could get the first liver transplant from Mohali. So this has been our rather journey in the last 8 or 9 months. In this period of time we have done 6 cadaver donations we've had due to these families which have been very benevolent. 16 organs got retrieved, 5 livers, 10 kidneys and 1 pancreas. The total tissues retrieved were 12. You were just listening to Dr. Gurvinder, who has been active in the corneal transplant, and I'm sure she's going to take the corneal transplant program in this institution further to benefit greater number of patients. And 1 liver, as I said, was retrieved from outside. So total of 8 live organs have been utilized in our institution, 5 livers and 3 kidneys. And we have shared 8 organs with other institutions, because by law, by SOTO notification, 1 kidney can be used in your own institution and 1 kidney has to be shared with. This is actually by law. Very satisfying to share with you that the cadaver transplant success rate till now in our institution has been 100%. We all know these are very high-risk patients, metabolically very deranged, but all the renal as well as the liver transplant patients which got from the cadavers, they are doing very well. There is some waiting time that we have for the liver transplants, but hopefully in the next period of time, over a period of time, as more and more donations happen, more and more people pledge that they will donate their organs, this will shorten. The transplant unit, the renal transplant unit has been equally active, and they have done 3 cadaveric transplants. As I said, the cornea transplant program has now started and it is moving quite actively. What we have today assembled for is the community awareness. हम लोगों में ये जागृति लाना चाहते हैं, खुद में भी और लोगों में भी, और इसमें डॉक्टर गुरसागर सहोटा ने बहुत एफर्ट किया है. डॉक्टर PL गौतम उनके साथ, उनके सहयोग में दोनों की बहुत ही इफेक्टिव और बहुत ही एक्टिव टीम है. जिस तरह से हमारे रीनल ट्रांसप्लांट में डॉक्टर विकास बंसल, डॉक्टर हरमनदीप चहल and headed by Dr. Sandeep Sharma, who supports them, and nephrology we have Dr. Vikas Makkar, Dr. Simran. So बहुत ही एक्टिव टीम्स हैं हमारी कॉर्नियल ट्रांसप्लांट में. डॉक्टर गुरविंदर और इनका सारा डिपार्टमेंट, जो कि इस रास्ते पे आपके पेशेंट्स को अच्छी तरह से उनका इलाज हो पाए, उसमें अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स में डॉक्टर गुरसागर ने बहुत एफर्ट किया है. जगह जगह पे जाते हैं और लोगों को इसकी अवेयरनेस करते हैं.